In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a space background, and how to set up a space lighting to shine a mesh on the scene. Let's go to the Shading tab. We need to edit the world setting. This is where we find it. We need noise texture and color ramp nodes. Let's turn off the transparency. There is our star field. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. We need to switch back to the object mode, and use the image texture node to apply the earth texture. Since we have removed the HDRI, we need to manually add the lights. The best light to use for this scene is a point light. Shift D to duplicate, and G to move. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.